How to say the sentence, the neighbors lived near to each other in an advanced way. The neighbors lived in propinquity to each other. Now, the other words and phrases that can be used in place of in propinquity are: the neighbors lived in proximity to each other. The neighbors lived adjacent to each other. They lived in close vicinity, etc. Next is the second sentence is how to say his comment was so silly in an advanced way. His comment was so fatuous and pointless. The other phrases and words are: his comment was so inane. We write it as INANE, inane. His comment was so puerile. His comment was so infantile, preposterous, imbecilic, or senseless. The third is, the sentence is, the memory was painful. The same sentence in advanced would be, the memory was poignant. Okay. Other advanced phrases are, the memory was heart-rending. The memory was saddening. The memory was pitiable. It was plaintive. It was piteous. It was so touching. It was so moving.